What are you using to monitor your transmission temperatures?
So I have a scan gauge 2.
I do too, hell yeah, dude!
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be, living in a time where disease is on every screen, I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering, negativity is a plague for the mentally weak, no mercy, all I got is working, never stop searching, never quench the thirsty, I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it, it's been chronic since I was a boy, so
So thank you all very much for the 15K subscribers. We're actually right now at 15.5, and so just let's keep this going, let's keep the momentum going. And one way that you all could support me without paying anything, it's for free, is just by commenting and liking the videos. If you continue to do that, then there'll be more engagement. So that is definitely one way you could support and help the channel grow. And I'm going to keep doing these giveaways every 5K subs. And well, I'm going to have to increase the prizes, give more of them out, because if there will be more subscribers, we're going to need more prizes, right? So I thank you all very much for the support. And so first winner is Fatal Animal, which is awesome because he's been a subscriber for a while. Actually, both winners have been subscribers for a while. There was a winner, Anthony Datu, that forfeited his prize, and that means that it went to the first runner-up. So that's a very, very kind gesture. And so shout out to Anthony Datu.